Oh, jeez. Morning, everyone. So, I had a very good night's sleep. I got to bed at like 1. That was about 6 hours. Hopefully, I get some sleep on the plane. Yeah, should be fun.
The airport with Isaac Clay.
Oh.
Oh god.
Wait. Whoa!
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thanks. Have a good one. See you later. Bye-bye.
Okay, so it's the end of this day. We just arrived at the apartment. Well, the first apartment we're staying at. Getting ready to start a new day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm all changed. Just got my breakfast. So basically, I don't really want to film around this apartment too much, because simply because it's not mine, and all my family is living here. So it's like I don't want to breach their privacy. So when we go to the next apartment, I'll show you the apartment there, because that's one we've paid for. So I'll be able to show you around. But what I will show you here is the view.
Oi, mate.
Alright, so that's another day gone. We went to the zoo today. Tomorrow we're actually going to our actual apartment that we're staying at for the majority of our holiday.
Get up, boy! Get up! Get up! This kid looks so you can get up. Get up!
Day 2, we're at now. So basically, today we're going to go to the new apartment that we're staying at. Alright, let's see what day 2 has to offer for us. You mind? Oh, what the hell? Get off me! Get off me! It stinks! Get away! Oh! Oh! What are you doing? Stop!
Kill me.
Alright guys, so we're in the car. It is bloody hot, man. It is just stifling. Like, people are wearing shorts and t-shirt. When I'm back in New Zealand, we're all wearing massive jumpers. It's crazy. There's actually a 7-Eleven here, and I got myself a Slurpee, which I never think I'd get in Australia. But, you know, I got a Slurpee. Alright everyone, got to the apartment, all safe, all great. Been a day of travelling, we're very much tired. So, here is the apartment that we're staying at. So, first we have Mum's room, and goddamn, or Mum and Auntie Meg's room, and goddamn, their view is just incredible. Like, holy shit. Yeah, but there you go. That's the view. So, here's the living room. I just turned off the TV because it was playing music I get copyright on. Here's a idiot sleeping. Here's the view for the living room. That's also insane. That's a pool that we have access to. Also a spa. It's actually got a sunset going now. But like, you get the picture, it's incredible. Like, we've got city views and sea views. Nothing like what you get in New Zealand. Here's another idiot on the couch. And here's our room. And now our room is probably a little bit smaller, but we've got 2 single beds, so that's how we know. That's how we know no one has, like, you know, done their deed in our bed, which is great because, you know, I mean, if they have, it's gonna be very uncomfortable. They have to be very small people. There's me. There's our view. Whoa! What the fuck?
I'm excited.
Anyway, here is our mirror.
I can't even film.
There you can see yourself.
Oh, you can easily film it.
Here's our kitchen. Nothing in it right now. We've got a watermelon that Mum thinks it's too ripe. It does look pretty ripe. Yeah, looks like a freaking murder scene in here. Got our lovely fridge. We've got nothing in there. There's a Domino's room service menu. That's nice. So I'm gonna have a pretty fun week, and you guys are gonna be here with me, and I honestly can't wait to see what's gonna happen. So yeah, until I pick the camera up next time. Stop flick.